Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech gear. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless earbuds with a product that's making waves for all the right reasons. Introducing the YAQ Wireless Earbuds Bluetooth headphones. With an impressive 40 hours of playtime, waterproof design, and crystal clear microphone, these earbuds are truly in a league of their own. But what sets these earbuds apart from the competition? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk battery life. With up to 40 hours of playtime on a single charge, you can enjoy your favorite tunes all day long without missing a beat. Plus, the convenient LED power display lets you keep track of your battery life with ease. But it's not just about longevity, it's also about performance. These earbuds feature Bluetooth 5.3 technology for stable transmission and lower power consumption. And with a 13mm chamber speaker driver, you can expect nothing less than stellar sound quality with deep bass and clear treble. Whether you're hitting the gym or braving the elements, these earbuds have you covered. With an IPX5 waterproof rating and nano coating technology, they can handle sweat, rain, and even the toughest workouts with ease. And let's not forget about convenience. Thanks to the smart touch control panels, you can easily manage your music playback, answer calls, and activate voice assistants with just a tap of your finger. Last but not least, let's talk about comfort. With a lightweight and ergonomic design, these earbuds are engineered for all-day wear. Plus, with 3 sizes of ear tips included, you can find the perfect fit for your ears. So there you have it, folks. The YAQ Wireless Earbuds Bluetooth headphones are not only packed with features but also deliver exceptional performance at an unbeatable price point. Don't just take my word for it. Check out the rave reviews from satisfied customers. That wraps up today's review. If you're in the market for top-notch wireless earbuds, look no further than the YAQ Wireless Earbuds Bluetooth headphones. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more product reviews and tech tips. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.